Welcome. If you're tired of receiving notifications every time someone tags you on Facebook, you're in the right place. Facebook's latest update makes it easy to take control of your notifications, including those for tags. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to disable notifications for Facebook tagging from anyone on your PC. Let's get started. First, open Facebook in your browser and log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on your homepage, we're ready to dive into the settings. Next, click on your profile photo in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to a drop-down menu. From here, click on your name to go directly to your profile page. Now, to adjust your notification settings, click on the small downward arrow in the top right corner again. A menu will appear, and you should select Settings and Privacy. When that opens, click on Settings. You're now on the Settings page. On the left side, you'll see a list of different options. Scroll down a bit until you see Notifications in the menu. Click on it. Once you're in the Notifications section, you'll find different categories for managing your alerts. Look for the Tags section, which controls notifications for when someone tags you in a post or a photo. To stop getting notified about tags from anyone, simply find the option under Tags that says Anyone and toggle it off. This will ensure you no longer receive notifications when someone tags you, whether it's a friend, a page you follow, or even a stranger. That's it. You've successfully disabled notifications for tagging from anyone on Facebook. You'll still be tagged, but you won't be flooded with notifications about it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on managing your social media. Thanks for watching.